What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, TheHoxtonTrend. Right gang, real quick video today. What we're going to do is run through how to use the Certilgo, okay? Now I've already done a video before. It was kind of explaining who Certilgo is, what they do, and a little bit of information and background into them, okay? Now the Certilgo itself is a unique set of numbers which can be used to authenticate particular items, okay? If you jump onto Certilgo's website, you can find a list of all the brands that use Certilgo. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to use a Certilgo for different situations. So the first situation where you can use the Certilgo is you've just purchased an item and you want to verify that the item is genuine, okay? The second situation is when you're browsing online on platforms like Depop, eBay, Grailed, and you kind of want to check out if an item is genuine, so you can use the Certilgo to kind of help you with that. And the third situation is if you're trying to sell some of your items that have the Certilgo, you're trying to sell them online on platforms like eBay, Depop, or Grailed, you can actually use the Certilgo to help your buyers identify that your items are genuine, okay? I'm going to do another video after this which is going to show you how to use the Certilgo code for selling. This video is going to be for buying only, okay? So wait for the next video to come up for the selling guide. Okay, so the first situation is you've already purchased a nice glistening item from one of your favorite marketplaces, but you're not too sure if the item is genuine or not, and you want to double check. So the first things first is you want to kind of find the Certilgo on the item, okay? So in this instance, I've got a Stone Island hat, which I've purchased. Now I'm not showing you the Certilgo because remember guys, don't show people the original Certilgo label because that can cause issues for the code. You'd have to get in touch with Certilgo to sort that all out. So that can get really long-winded. Here you can see it actually does say check the authenticity on Certilgo.com. You'd be surprised the amount of times when people send me this label with showing me the number and ask me if it's genuine or not. So they actually have the answer in their hands, but they're not sure how to use it. So simply, I run onto Certilgo.com. I go onto right here where it says authenticate your product. Nice and simple. Right, so let me start putting my number in. So here we go. So I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to show you the number obviously. Okay, so once I put my number in, I simply hit go. Now, it says there, where did you find this product? So I'm going to put down that I bought it online, okay, which I did. So we'll do that right now. Right, so now it's saying, please tell us about the online retailer. I bought it from eBay, from a store which I actually trust, so I know it's got no problems, but I'm going to put here eBay, and it says enter the link. I'm not going to do that because I'm too lazy. They already know it's from eBay, but if you have the link and you want to be more helpful, then yeah, by all means, provide the link. Have you received this product? Yes, I have, so I've got it. It's asking me, has it got this woven label, and I've just showed you the label, so we know that is the label, so that's all good. If it doesn't look like that, then there's a problem, but in my case it's cool, so I'm going to say yes. Bam, there we go. So the item is authentic. So now what I basically want to do is, it says here, celebrate with us. So here you can actually post that your item is authentic on social media if you're that kind of cat. In this situation we're lucky because it says authentic, but there are also some other results that can pull up as well. One of the other results you can pull up is, unfortunately, it will say fake, and if it says fake, then the item that you have is unfortunately a fake. If you do get that results screen and it says fake right here, there will be an option down below where you see all this saying that you can create what they call a fake report. You can download that fake report, take that back to the marketplace where you purchased it from, and you can let them know that unfortunately the item that you purchased was a fake and they should help you to get your money back, okay? Then the other situation is it might say we need further verification of your item. So that's simply where Certilgo just need to double check. They need more information, they might need more photographs from you. Please send them the photographs and they will get back to you with a result, okay? So that's it, man. That's pretty simple, that one. Okay, so the next situation where you can use the Certilgo is you're trying to purchase an item again from one of your favorite marketplaces, be it eBay, be it Depop, be it Grailed or Gumtree, if you're crazy enough to buy designer clothing from there. One of the things that you can do is use the Certilgo to verify the item in advance, okay? So in that type of situation, what tends to happen is a lot of people ask the seller for the Certilgo number and then they put it in here. I'm going to show you what to do, the correct way to do this, okay? So let's go through the steps. So I've just put the number into the authenticator system. We're going to run that and we're going to see what the result is. Have you received the product? Now, a lot of people, what they do is they say yes, even though they haven't got the item. That's not the correct way to find out if your item is genuine. I know it's a bit long-winded, but you're going to have to say no if you don't have the item, okay? Because I'm going to show you a safer way for you to sort this out. So it says here, only products you have with you or products on sale with a valid Certilgo seal of authentication can be authenticated in situations like this. I asked them to go through the Certilgo process. So basically put in the code like what we've just done, actually produce the Certilgo seal. What that does is allow them to create a specific document which contains a picture of the item, the Certilgo, it's got the Certilgo number on there. That's really the step to go. I know it's not easy for some sellers who are new to the process, but really, if you want your buyers to have trust in what you're doing, you're gonna have to present this Certilgo seal, okay? Remember guys, you should still double check the Certilgo when the item arrives. Check the Certilgo yourself. Don't just rely on the pre-checks that you've done. You want to double check it yourself to make sure that it's absolutely okay. What I'm going to do is a second video which is going to show you how to use the Certilgo for selling items. And not only that, but we're going to be doing a special giveaway as well. It's going to be really cool. So make sure you jump into the next video that I upload. So if you've got any more questions about the video, remember you can get in touch with me. You can also get in touch with Certilogo on Twitter, Instagram, and also on their website, and they'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, okay? So that's it guys. I'm out of here. Catch you in a bit. Peace out.
Give me a call.